Hello friends, welcome to the RGTS Software. In the last video we discussed about the entry, right? How to get the proper entry for the buy and sell signals. Okay, in this video we discuss about the profit booking. Okay, after the entry, as a trader we need the profit booking where we have to exit. Okay, for the exit we have the two options. One is we exit our 100% quantity on the stop loss, and another is we exit on the triangle, not 100% but we try to book the partial profit. Okay, so with example in this video I'll explain you about the profit booking signals. Okay, so once again welcome to the RGTS software and thank you for downloading the Pro Signal Android app. Friends, if you don't have the Pro Signal Android app in your mobile, or you are still not sign up on the Pro Signals like websites, okay, is a sign up, you get the 3 days trial on your mobile or on your computer version, right? You are able to log in from the website. Okay, so right now there is the RT industry chart. I'm going to zoom it so I'm able to explain you properly. Okay, so there is one sell signal, right? There is sell at 733. Okay, so just an example, I have sell the 1000 share of RT industry here. Okay, after the sometime, this is the signal generated at the morning 11, around the 2:30 I get one triangle. This is the green triangle, right? I get one green triangle. So in the sell signal, this green triangle is the profit booking alert. Okay, so what we do, we just book the 500 share here. Okay, means from 733 to this level, this is the level around 7 or 20. Okay, so almost the 13 point. Okay, so we book the 13 point profit here, and another the remaining quantity, we hold the remaining quantity with the trailing stop loss, right? So in the last video I have explained the trailing stop loss always move into profit whenever your position like turn into your favor. So this the remaining 500 quantity exit here. So this price is around the 731. What happened with this? Like we get only the 2 point or 2 point like 3 points around profit here, right? So one is we book the good profit on the partial profit booking, and another the quantity we exit here, right? And now what we have to do, again we are able to enter the our say like enter our trade here in the buy signal also. Okay, next day morning. So I always like I'll always say, if you want to take the good trade above the white line, you take the buy signal only, below the white line only the sell signal. That doesn't mean we are not able to trade these signals. Okay, you just trade with the moderated quantity, means don't go with the high risk. You can take care whenever the signal is above the white line or below the white line. Okay, so in the next example there is the buy signals, right? If we enter the 1000 quantity here, that means we have to exit our quantity here, not the triangle, because there is no triangles. The triangle generated at the similar level. Okay, so with the two situation, we hold our position with the trailing stop loss, or otherwise we book the profit on the triangle if profit generate. If there is no profit on the triangle, we just hold our position. We no need to exit early. Okay, in the similar situation, we book the profit here. After the booking the 500 share here, right? In another triangle, there is the chance we put the 500 again, right? There is the 500 share again. If you want to put the 500 share again, otherwise we have to hold the remaining quantity to the next signals. Okay, so this is the role of triangles. And please don't consider the triangle as a fresh buy and sell entry, because there is chance of the wipe saw, like maybe you are not get the good profit. Just an example, you sell here and you buy here, otherwise there is no profit. Okay, so just take care of it. Are always the trade with the trailing stop loss. Without stop loss, please don't keep your position open, right? Always fill the stop loss in the terminal. Okay, so this is the rule for triangle, and few example for the buy and sell signals. Okay, so from buy and sell signals, one is you can create the alerts. If you create the alerts, you get the alert this side panel. Also, if you enable the notification for the website, you get the notification also whenever the buy and sell signal generate. So for the buy and sell example, I'll take the few more example from the signals. Okay, so there is NSC, just a minute. This is the last signals as well as the ABB. So let me take the on the ABB. Okay, so this is the buy signals, right? Normally I'll consider these perfect buy signals, because 2557 buy entry, on that time the white line also cross over here. So this type of signals run very good in most of cases. Okay, below the sell signal also these signals give the very good profit. That doesn't mean this signal don't give the profits. This signal also give the profits. But if you are a safe player, you don't want to take the chance, on that time use the white line as your filter, not the always. Okay, also there is the 5 minute, 15 minute and hourly also for the confirmation purpose. You can start the entry on the 5 minute time frame. Just an example, there is 5 minute is bullish, you just put the 100 quantity here. After, if the buy signals came into the 15 minute, you just put the 200 quantity here. Okay, after the hourly turn into the bullish, you just put another 500 quantity here, or vice versa, you just put the 500 here, like 100 here, 200 here, as per your trading plan. Okay, so you can always average into the profit. Okay, not into the loss. So whenever the first 5 minute turn the red, you just exit your all position. Okay, so this is the simple rule. If you have any issue, if you not understand with the video, okay, there is the contact us option. Contact us on the WhatsApp as well as via mobile phone. Okay, the similar option available into your Android application. Okay, there is the WhatsApp or contact us. Okay, and also the similar chart run on your mobile phone. There is no difference between the website and mobile. So this is up to us which version we have to use. Okay, and if you are a mobile user, you are able to use with the same user ID and password on the website. If you are a website user, with the same user ID and password, you can use your mobile version. Okay, and if your trial is over, there is the plan and pricing also available on the mobile application, and also into the website there is the home option. You get the plan and pricing. Okay, so there is for the monthly only, there is 1500. It is the less than our stop loss. Okay, so half yearly 7500 and yearly 12,000. You maximum you can save your like here with the 12,000 plan. Okay, so friends, yeah, you just visit the website, you can watch the signals. Okay, if you have the issue, if you have any query, you can contact us.